Hey guys, what's up? It's Grinding Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove sticker or tape residue from the body panels of your car without any damage. Now, I used a razor in my other video while I was getting goo off my glass, but you don't want to use a razor on body panels because you can damage the paint, or if you push hard enough, you could even damage the metal. So you want to use something soft. I'm using a plastic card. You can use a credit card or anything. But yeah, use something that's not gonna damage your paint or your metal. You should be able to use any solvent, nail polish, lighter fluid, WD-40, Goo Gone. Any of those should work, but I chose WD-40. You want to let it soak, but you should wipe up any excess just so the metal isn't exposed to it for long. And then after you let it soak, you can start chipping away at it. So it already looks much better, but you can see there's still residue left. You can get rid of that by just going over it again. Spray it again, let it soak, and then go scrape over it again. Alright guys, I really hope this helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing because you might like some of my other content.